A gun shows up in the X-ray machine at Mitchell Airport security checkpoint. So what happens next?
Well, that depends on who owns the gun. The I-Team's Steve Shamraz discovered a law designed to keep you safe is not always enforced, huh, Steve?
Yeah, guys, if you show up at airport security checkpoint with a gun, you would think your day would be ruined. But one group of gun owners is allowed to walk away with barely a slap on the wrist. It's posted right on the doors. The public areas of Mitchell International Airport are a place you cannot carry your gun.
That sign on the door should be a mental marker for you.
Concealed carry advocate Nick Clark wants gun owners to know where their firearm is at all times. But the I-Team discovered at the airport, people keep forgetting.
Some of those guns that are found are tests of the system. People are still engaged in criminal and terrorist activity.
Aviation security expert Jeff Price is concerned because those forgotten guns are making it all the way to security checkpoints, discovered inside carry-on bags, going through X-ray machines.
It's hard to know the difference when you stop that person and say, all right, can you tell us what's in your bag here?
Though the I-Team discovered, Milwaukee County Sheriff David Clark gives gun owners the benefit of the doubt if they have a concealed carry permit. From March 2012 to April 2015, the TSA caught a dozen guns at Mitchell checkpoints. 2 travelers were detained and prosecuted under county ordinance. In the other 10, the traveler had a permit to carry concealed, and they were not prosecuted.
It is not his choice to selectively enforce a law that is extremely important to the safety of the public.
As County Executive Chris Abley explains, violators can be taken downtown, issued a citation, and have to appear in court. A penalty he would like to see the sheriff enforce.
If he wants to lobby against the law, he's free to do that, but he swears an oath like every elected official in America to uphold it.
Sheriff Clark would not make himself available for an interview, but in an email called his policy a prudent use of discretion, adding, "I trust CCL holders."
I commend Sheriff Clark for having the policy that he has.
Nick Clark appreciates the sheriff's leniency, considering the TSA is far less forgiving. Documents obtained by the I-Team show travelers Sheriff Clark let walk were fined up to $3,000 by the feds.
Their embracing of the Second Amendment, their embracing of right to carry is obviously not as strong as Sheriff Clark's is.
While concealed carry is also legal in Illinois, this won't fly at O'Hare or Midway. A spokesperson for Chicago police said they arrest any individual who attempts to bring a licensed firearm through a security checkpoint. With airport screening lines already stretching for hours, Jeff Price wonders if that is the way to go, not only for safety, but to keep the guns out and the checkpoints moving.
We don't need the guns on the plane, and we're backing up lines every time another weapon's found in the checkpoint.
Sheriff Clark actually goes a step further here. He offers to hold the firearm of a forgetful concealed carry permit holder until they're back from their travels. That's something our security consultant says he has never heard of before. Guys?